What's going on, guys? Welcome to the MySwimPro app channel. My name is Faris Sabeti. I'm the co-founder and CEO of MySwimPro. And in this video, I want to take a couple of minutes and share with you a few of the resources that we have to help you reach your goals. Now, obviously, if you're watching this video, you're either a swimmer, a triathlete, or you're looking to get into the sport of swimming. And whether your goals are to start swimming or to improve your technique or to swim faster, or maybe you want to do a master's competition or do something more ambitious like do the English Channel, regardless of your goals, at MySwimPro, we help swimmers all over the world improve their performance and health both in and out of the water through personalized training programs, instructional video content, and a digital community that really empowers people that are like-minded, like yourself, who are looking to take those first steps to improve their fitness level and improve their swimming speed in the water. And we combine all of that in the MySwimPro application and through all of our content. So if you're new to the channel and you're new to the company, welcome, and I look forward to encouraging you and following your journey in reaching your swimming goals.